Okay, it's time to pack, and you do not know where to begin. My name is Jennifer Thompson. I am a real estate agent and a certified real estate planner, and I am talking to you. You are about ready to sell your house, or you're thinking of talking to an agent, and you are not sure where to start. Let's start with pre-packing. Anything that has sentimental value or you are attached to, pre-pack it. Here is why. When you list your house, people do walk through your house. They do open cupboards, whether we like it or not, that is what they do. So you want to hide um, in a pre-packed box your special valuables. Another thing I really recommend as you're starting this process or even noodling with selling is go to Amazon or your office supply store. Get yourself some of these dots. Green dots stay. They're moving to the next house or they're staying in the current house. Maybe you're in a 4-year phase of we're going to start purging things and then we're going to list the house. So this is a great way to identify what's staying. This also helps your mind shut down and go, okay, we don't need to think about this one. There's a green dot on it. Red dots, red dots are what doesn't bring you joy, needs to be donated, or needs to go to a family member or something else, or if it's truly trash, that's a red dot. So this will also help your mind shut off. When you see that item, you've already made a decision, you can move on to the next. So your house could look very colorful with these dots. It will be very helpful because the next phase will be, okay, what are you going to do with those red dots? Maybe have folks over, have a dinner, have a get together, and anything with a red dot, you can take zero judgment. And that will help. Now you don't have to touch it twice. People are going to leave with your treasures. It's actually really fun to see the joy of the people because they're like, oh my gosh, I've always loved this thermos that has a flamingo on it. I've always wanted it. So that's a really great way, especially if you've got a little bit of ramp up time to prepare. Be thinking pre-packing though, because if you pack it and it's going to go to the next place and it's special, put it away. Even getting those tubs that are plastic, really good idea, especially with flooding or rain or what have you. If you're going to pre-pack and put them in there, label things really well. Maybe don't label them with grandmother's diamond tiara because that gives away what's in there. But memorabilia or fragile or something to that effect. But then you will have the idea of what's in your pre-packing. The reason this is really helpful is because when it comes time to actually start that listing process, you're going to need to be packing anyway to move. So you are getting a jump start on it. You've already done your dots. You already know what's coming and what's going. So now you can pre-pack and you can put that all together in one spot and your house will be less cluttery, shall we say. It gives the new buyers a vision of where they're going to put their vase and where they're going to put their coffee pot. If you have your personal items all over the place, buyers that are walking through touring feel like they're almost trespassing. They're so busy looking at your photos and your treasures, they're not stopping to think, could I live in this house? And you have about 7 seconds from the time they walk in that door. So even as you're pre-packing and preparing, take a step back, take a picture with your camera. What do you see in that photo? That's a really good way to determine, have you pre-packed enough? Definitely connect with a good listing agent that's going to help you walk through that process. If you live in the Seattle area, reach out to me. If you don't, we can even FaceTime and you can take me on a little tour and go, is this too much? Is this too much? And we can start that process of pre-packing. But pre-packing, it's what all the cool kids are doing. All right, subscribe, stay tuned, and definitely go buy your dots.